this is washing machine round with all hot points and our washing machines. Right. All these sending are hot points. Right, as we go on to this is this line one.
Same one, just a different colour.
That must be an electric one. This is what Wash has got. Black.
Wow, this one's a fancy one.
This.
No, this one.
Look here. This is a blue one.
Wait 45 days, go on the website, register it, but it should be, do you want to just check your main receipt?
Hello.
Wow, it's a Samsung one.
Yeah. Look, that guy says never buy Samsung for Christmas. Oh, it's got that cool thing. That's no, this is an old one. This is what Kawa's got. A Becco. Look at the door. Bloody big. Heavy. Let's do this one now.